Imagine planting a single seed in the ground. You water it, you protect it, and you give it time. Slowly, that seed becomes a plant, then a tree. And one day it becomes a massive source of shade, fruit, and value. Now imagine if that seed didn't just grow once, but multiplied itself again and again, every single year, without you lifting a finger. This is the power of compound interest. Today, I am going to reveal one of the most powerful wealth-building secrets in human history. A secret used by wealthy families, self-made millionaires, and smart investors. A secret so simple yet so life-changing that Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. If you understand this concept deeply, your entire relationship with money will change. You will stop chasing quick profits. You will stop fearing slow progress. And you will start building wealth in a way that feels effortless, automatic, and unstoppable. So stay with me till the end, because once you truly understand compound interest, you will never look at money the same way again. 1. What compound interest really means. Let's start with the simplest explanation. Compound interest means your money earns money. Then that money earns more money. And the cycle continues like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger with every turn. But this is not just about numbers. It is about time, patience, and consistency. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you invest a small amount every month. At first, it feels like nothing is happening. Your money grows slowly, almost too slowly. But then years later, something magical happens. The growth becomes faster, then even faster, until one day your money starts growing more in a single year than you could save in 5 years. That is the moment compound interest takes over. And from that point on, your money works harder than you do. 2. The story of two friends. Let me tell you a short story that perfectly explains this. Two friends, Ahmed and Bilal, decide to invest money. Ahmed starts early. At the age of 25, he invests a small amount every month. Nothing too big, just enough to stay consistent. Bilal, on the other hand, thinks he has time. He says, I will start later when I make more money. He finally starts at 35, 10 years after Ahmed. Both invest the same amount every month. Both get the same rate of return. Now here is the surprising part. Even though Ahmed stops investing at age 35 and Bilal continues investing until age 60, Ahmed ends up with more money. How is that possible? Because Ahmed gave his money time. He used the one thing Bilal couldn't get back: years of compounding. This is the hidden power of starting early. It doesn't matter if you start small. What matters is that you start soon. 3. Why most people miss this opportunity. You might wonder, if compound interest is so powerful, why don't most people take advantage of it? The answer is simple. Because compound interest works slowly in the beginning, too slowly for the average person's patience. Most people want fast money, quick returns, overnight success. But compound interest rewards the opposite mindset. It rewards patience, discipline, and consistency. Think of it this way. The first 5 years feel slow, the next 5 years feel better, and then suddenly the 10th or 15th year feels explosive. Most people quit in the slow years. They never stay long enough to experience the explosion. Remember this: your wealth grows quietly before it grows dramatically. 4. The formula for building wealth using compound interest. You don't need a high income to use compound interest. You need 3 ingredients: contribution, consistency, time. Let's break them down. 1. Contribution. This is how much you invest. Even small amounts make a difference. It's better to invest a small amount regularly than a large amount once in a while. 2. Consistency. This is where most people fail. They invest for a few months, then stop. But compound interest only works when you stay committed. Treat it like brushing your teeth. Something you do regularly, automatically. 3. Time. This is the most powerful ingredient. Time multiplies your money in ways you can't imagine. The longer your money stays invested, the more exponential the growth becomes. Remember, compound interest is not just a formula, it is a habit. 5. The mindset behind compounding. To benefit from compounding, you must adopt a certain mindset. You must learn to value long-term rewards over short-term pleasures. You must learn to stay patient during slow growth. You must learn to trust the process even when results are not visible. The wealthy think in decades, the average person thinks in days. That is the difference. When you understand compound interest, you stop trying to get rich fast. Instead, you build wealth steadily. You let your money grow silently in the background while you focus on living your life. 6. Real-life example of compounding. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine you invest a small amount every month at a reasonable interest rate. Over 10 years, it becomes something bigger. But over 20 years, it becomes something surprising. Over 30 years, it becomes something extraordinary because your growth does not remain linear. It becomes exponential. It is like climbing stairs for the first few years and then suddenly finding yourself on an escalator that keeps going faster. This is why wealthy families pass down investments to the next generation, because the longer the money stays invested, the bigger the wealth becomes. 7. Why starting today matters. Many people delay investing because they think they don't have enough money. But here is the truth. You don't start investing because you are rich. You become rich because you started investing. The perfect time to start does not exist. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. The earlier you begin, the more your future self will thank you. Because every year you delay is not just 1 year lost. It is the lost opportunity of compounding that year forever. Section 8, How to take action. Today, let's talk action. Knowledge is useless unless you apply it. Here is a simple plan to get started. Decide how much you can invest every month. Even a small amount matters. Choose a long-term investment option that suits your risk level. Set up automatic deposits so you don't rely on motivation. Commit to staying invested for years, not months. Increase your investment amount every time your income increases. That's it. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. The power of compounding will handle the rest. Before we end, I want you to imagine something. Imagine looking back 10 years from now. You see your investment account, you see the growth, and you realize that your earlier self, the version of you watching this video right now, made a simple decision that changed everything. A decision to take action, a decision to think long-term, a decision to let time work for you, not against you. The secret of compound interest is not hidden. It has always been in front of you, but only those who respect time, patience, and discipline truly benefit from it. The question is not whether compound interest works. The question is whether you will let it work for you. Start today, plant your seed, and let time grow it into something extraordinary. Your future is built on the choices you make today. Make the right one.